And see how shiny? Look how bright and vibrant that got. And as this dries, it won't be quite as shiny, but you know the color's been set. Okay? Now, as this dries, we're going to wire on the hollies. That was my leaf of choice for this project. A brat, these are called brats, and a green brat is actually the traditional for this, but since it's a sugar flower, I decided I wanted to do hollies. Now, each one of these should be individually wrapped with the floral tape, but for time purposes, I'm just gonna set it on here for you guys. Get this done. Look at the accent that does. Okay, so we're going to put a few of these on here, and we'll come back and show you the finished product of the cake. Okay, putting the last couple of touches of floral tape on this to seal these wires in here so I don't get poked. Ouch. And then we're going to set it on top of the cake. Now, because floral wire and this floral tape is not food safe, I don't want to poke it into it, even though I could because this is a styrofoam dummy. I'll show you how I will set it on top of the cake. Make it look pretty. So turn it and rotate it. Or, if you've got it, paraffin wax, dunk this. I know I've shown you guys before, dunk the stem in paraffin wax until it sets. You can actually set this, dunk this in the paraffin wax, set it on top. We'll find out a way how to color that paraffin wax, or buy a candle that's green and dunk it, melt it and dunk it in that so it's all the same color, then you don't see it. But here we go. Okay? Odd numbers. Pretty as a picture. And there we have it. Okay, what I'm doing is a bead border, just to add a little detail on the bottom. And this is like a reverse shell bead border. But I'm piping this direction, this direction, this direction, that direction. Okay? Putting a pretty white blob here just to cement it in place. Okay, and there you have our simple yet not so simple Advanced Techniques holiday cake with our overpiping edge and our double bead border and our gum paste dunked in glaze gum paste flower. And thank you for joining us on this episode of YummyArts.com. I'm Shelly Sicily.